Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Knee reveal, chot reveal. Chot has been healing, but it is leaving a scar like everything does. So deep. Hashtag thinking, thoughts, thought daughter, thought son. Um, I was thinking about hobbies and how people don't have hobbies anymore. They don't have a personality. People don't have personalities anymore. They study, they have friends. That's all. And like they sleep. Do you have anything that belongs to you? Do you do anything? Why do people not do anything? And why are people who are trying to do something getting shamed for doing that? Like, oh, तू तो skater boy बनने की कोशिश कर रहा है, ये देखो ये गाने की कोशिश कर रही है. हाँ कर रहे हैं, कोशिश तो कर रहे हैं वो. आप क्या कर रहे हो? What the fuck are you doing? Nobody has anything to do these days. Nobody wants to try something new because everybody's just like, oh, it's cringe to do this, it's cringe to do that, it's cringe to be bad at something. It's not cringe to be bad at something. First of all, being cringe is a fucking myth. When will everybody understand that we invent things? We can just uninvent things. We have invented every single thing that exists. The words we talk, पता नहीं किसने बोले हैं ये. हमने बनाई है ये लैंग्वेज. कोई लिखा हुआ कुछ कोई गेम थोड़ी है जिसमें हम लोगों ने एंटर कर दिया है और लाइक सब कुछ चल रहा है बस अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट. वी डिसाइड व्हाट वी वांट टू डू. वी डिसाइड. वी हैव क्रिएटेड एवरीथिंग इन आवर सराउंडिंग्स. तो क्रिंज तो भूल ही जाओ. एंड being bad at something is not a bad thing. Of course, if you start something new or if you redo or like restart with something you used to do in school or whatever as a teenager, when you go back to it, of course you're gonna be bad at it. Of course, if everybody was good at everything, then I don't know how life would look like. I don't know, that's a different thought that is interesting that I should think about. But yeah, nobody wants to do anything. Nobody wants to have a personality. They just want to have a favorite type of content they consume, a favorite person they follow, a favorite musician they listen to. But like, what do you do? What is your thing? What do you do? And this is not me, like, I hope you don't take it in a I'm mad at you. I'm not mad at you. I felt the same way, the way like you probably feel right now if you don't have an answer for that. A year ago, I had nothing, bro. I had nothing going on for me. I was just a college student, and that's not something I want to be defined as. I'm not just a college student. I'm not just somebody's friend or somebody's child or somebody's boyfriend or somebody's girlfriend or what. I'm not. Who am I? Who the fuck am I? You need to sit down and think about yourself. And what do you like? What do you like? Except like basic questions, favorite color, favorite. But what do you like actually? What do you like hearing? What do you like talking about? What do you like looking at? What do you like when you go out in a park? What do you notice? You don't know yourself at all, and it shouldn't be a crisis. I think this should be a sign for you to learn things about yourself and hang out with yourself alone. Sit with your thoughts. Learn how your brain works. Learn things about like what do you not like when there's a conversation going on. You are obviously which you are engaging with, and then somebody says something. It icks you out a little bit. Note that down. What icked you out a little bit about this XYZ person? How do you feel about this one thing that you tried for the first time? What were your thoughts before you had a new drink or a new food item? What were your thoughts after that? What? What are you thinking about right now? Because you are thinking about like something constantly. Anything that you're consuming or doing, you're thinking about it. You're looking at something, you're thinking about something. But what are you thinking about? Do you ever think about that? Do you ever note that down? What do you like about? Can you write a paragraph on yourself without talking about other people in that paragraph or other things or your college or your school or your friends or anything related to you. Can you write a paragraph just about yourself and your personality? Can you do that? I can't do that yet, I'll be honest. I think it will take me some more time to build up something inside me to like write about myself. I could write half a paragraph right now, I think, but like not like a full-fledged one whole page of piece of paper. I can't do that. But yeah, I think people need to sit down and write about themselves. Yeah, that's that. And also, I'm working on a mic. The thing is, I was like, when I get a phone, I'll get a mic. I'm getting that mic only, the one that I've talked about in the first video ever, second video, the Rode mic. I wanna get that. It's for 2,000 rupees. I can buy that right now. But I was thinking I'll just get a phone and then get a mic and like brand new both phone and like mic. But I can get the mic before I get the phone, because phone is going to be expensive and it's going to take a bit like 1 more month for me to save that amount of money, I think. So yeah, I could buy a mic right now, because yeah, I talk a lot and I make a lot of videos, so I should buy a mic. I should invest in that. Thank you for letting me know that it annoys you also, because it annoys me while I watch my video. पंखे की आवाज़ अभी बंद करा हुआ है, but कभी कभार AC की आवाज़, कभी कभार आवाज़ मतलब हो जाती है अजीब सी. So yeah, I will get a mic. That's all. Love you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos and being here. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, and yeah, have a good time.